Hey guys, it's me Martin and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, we're going to celebrate my birthday, my 22nd birthday, together with my whole family. And update nyo kami guys, ma-celebrate sa akong birthday. Sa tanan nga nag-greet sa akong gali, thank you so much. I love you all. And kabay pa mayong lawas na tapar me. God bless you all guys. I love you. So let's go!
Jadi kita sunod-sunod kita. Alright. Ladies and gentlemen, space kita diwa. Nakamalisan space. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me here. Dili kita kay masugod ang kita sa ating programa sa mga gabi. Sa kanami, sa pagkaon, sa tubar naton. Daw makaon na kita tanan? Yes? Yes, and then? Di pala wikon ang program eh. Sa bata, nanotom ka mo? Wala? Wala pa. Okay. Then, alas 10 na makaon. Wala mo na. Alright, anyway. We're now ready to start the program. And syempre, kinanglan natin invoke the presence ni Lord. So maybe request everyone to please be quiet. Okay, lead me Tita Eva ang prayer. Let's put ourselves in the presence of God.
The Father, Son, Lord Jesus, bless us, Lord, with good health, safety, peace, love, prosperity, and happiness. Hindi nga pamilyatan ng Lord kami sa subong, kagdahambog sa inyong okasyon, kagtanan, everybody present sa Lord. Kagawin Lord sa mga lawas, pagmaring agtangan sa dalawang tanan, palayo ko sa maglakiat, especially inyong mga pamilya, Lord, sa inyong nabalay. Kag Lord, masalamat Lord sa mga pagkauli natin sa amo sa mga grasya to celebrate Martin's 22nd birthday and also for Asayang graduation as a nursing student sa doctors. Salamat Lord sa tanan nga ari ko sa buong katambong sa mga sensya sa tanan. Kagay kami sa mga buligid kami naman sa among mga handom, buligid kami Lord sa mga handom, sa among mga plano, sa among dreams, Lord. Kaya buligid kami Lord, lalo na Lord si Martin, kaya isama lang siya sa iyang journey sa iyang nursing career. Lord, iano rin siya Lord, kaya buligid sa Lord, kabagin nga makapasar siya sa iyang nursing board, and also sa iyang pag-proceed sa NCLEX, sa iyang handong kumaplano. This we ask in Jesus' name. Bless us, O Lord. This is the gift we are about to receive from the bounty. Through Christ our Lord. Amen.
Amen. Alright, so happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Martin. One more time, faster. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Martin. Alright, okay. So blow your candle. Okay, wow. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000, 1,001, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005, 1,006, 1,007, 1,008, 1,009, 2,000, 2,005, 3,000, 3,500, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000, 11,000, 12,000, 13,000, 14,000, 15,000, 16,000, 17,000, 18,000, 19,000, 20,000, 21,000, 22,000, 23,000, 24,000, 25,000, 26,000, 27,000, 28,000, 29,000, 30,000, 31,000, 32,000, 33,000, 34,000, 35,000, 36,000, 37,000, 38,000, 39,000, 40,000, 41,000, 42,000, 43,000, 44,000, 45,000, 46,000, 47,000, 48,000, 49,000, 50,000, 51,000, 52,000, 53,000, 54,000, 55,000, 56,000, 57,000, 58,000, 59,000, 60,000, 61,000, 62,000, 63,000, 64,000, 65,000, 66,000, 67,000, 68,000, Around 12, ayaw, hindi ko na lang. Pinarag lang, 13, 14, 15,000! Yay! Wow! Grabe!
Tita Jo, to Ray, sa money cake, and sa lechon. I love you all so much.
Okay. What are you gonna do with your 15,000?
I-save.
Hindi ka yata kay mami, kay daddy? Save na.
Save ko lang, anay.
Isave, mixing off. Isave ni mami. Alright. Now, sige.
Lisa Magit.
Magbumakit ka.
Ang harap again.
Magit.
Oh, ano yung gift-giving time na na?
Ano pa lang partial na?
A partial. Okay, this one's from? This one's from? Okay,
Our dearest Marty, happy birthday and congratulations on your graduation. We love you so much. Love from your Chicago family. Thank you.
Actually, 15,000 isip mo. Inisip mo gina.
Kaya namin galon.
Actually, 20,000 daw, pero inisip ko lang 15. May ginagawa siya sa mga big.
Ako ko 5,000.
What's inside? Can you open it? Okay.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,000.
Wow! Actually, 10,000. Dahil ikaw itala naman ni Mami kasi daddy.
Thank you, partner Ma'am Boy, Sir Chito, Tito Ivan, Tita Brie. I love you all so much and pulit ako si Lilo, kaya ilan ako sa inyo. Thank you.
Alright. Recently, di ba, sa doctors, was it the very first time na nag-top 6 ang Iloilo Doctors College? Was it top 4? Sabi ko number 6 siya, 4? Number 4. Was it the first time? Mga taga-doctors, sabi ang mga classmates ni Martin, abe, raise your left leg. Raise your hand. Di ni mga classmates ni Martin. Puro, isa lang? So it's gonna be a tough challenge for all of you. Nag-level up na ang Iloilo Doctors College School of Nursing. So, abi nyo, it is going to be really a challenge para sa inyo tanan. Pero kaya, ang board, when is gonna be the board exam? May next year? Alright. So, may harapan iba niya makuha sa board later. So next year is gonna be next year. Alright. So, Mark. Okay. We know na tamaan kabudlay ang nursing, of course, diba? But the reward is really great once nga maka-work ka na as a registered nurse and you pass the NCLEX and work abroad. Okay, so it is really very rewarding. Pero mabudlay ang biyahe pakadto dira sa yung Tita Eva said earlier, no? It's gonna be really a tough journey. Pero you made it 4 years of sleepless nights on konting bulakbol man. Pero you made it and congratulations in 4 years. We, on behalf of your family, we are extremely proud of you. And I'm pretty sure that your mom and dad, the 18 years old, kagka 17. Oh, at least na makapating taas ka pa sa ila. Sa height of it. At least nakapating the very young age, sa ilang age, no? Naka-produce sila. Reproduce. Oo, isa ka. Guwapo, agree? Maalam, very smart, isa ka achiever na bata. So, we are really proud of you. Kasi Mama Eps, most especially, yes, a favorite na ako kay birthday ni Martin. So, kung sino may birthday, favorite ako. Ako sa tungkol, Ako na sa tuhod. Okay, si Martin. Guwapo. Ah, yeah. Pares kay Papa to rin. So, at tanan-tanan na proud kita. That's why may nililipon kita diri Subo para mag-celebrate not just his birthday today, but also his achievement as a student, as a person, and soon as a registered nurse. So congratulations to you, Mark! And Mark. And keep on reaching for the stars. Okay? Kaya hindi lang ni ang katapusan, dako pa pa sa cousins, your lola sa lolo, sinalaw naman sa mga lola na lola! Si Lola Boyet! Sa Lola! And of course, the very supportive mom, your partner, Mommy Goods and Daddy Chico in Chicago, and of course, the idol and Sales Agree. So, tapos ko na ako ng speech. I turn this microphone over to the beaming with pride, mother of the celebrator, and Vicente Will, Carlo, the very proud chef of the family, and the well-loved Carlo Vicente.
Kaya ako nabunod ko ay kaubos.
Mayroon kami sa tanan, thank you Bibili nga nagladto ka mo tanan para magpagsamang celebrate sa birthday kag graduation party ni Martin. Na happy gid ko nga nag-take time gid ka mo kag nagladto diri. Kag Mark, na ano ba ko na sa sobrang mga ba ko sa imo. Thank you man kay nagako ka nga mabuot ka wala kang ginagatang sa amon. Ang also deserve ng buot na bata. So salamat man kay ginawa mo magandang tanan para maging proud kami to rin ilalo mo sa iyo. Congratulations again. Birthday.
Mark, likewise. Congrats, Mark. I'm very proud of you. Happy birthday. Kuya, may kiss ka wala.
Okay, next, si Martin naman mahatag sa iyang inubra nga skate siya yung para sa bilog na family and friends. Why?
Before I say anything else, I want to take a moment to speak directly to two of the most important people in my life. My parents, mom, dad. Thank you for everything. Today may be my birthday, but I know that without your love, your sacrifices, and your endless support, this day and every day of my life wouldn't be what it is. You've been my greatest teachers, my strongest supporters, and my safe place through every stage of my journey. May, thank you for your unconditional love, your gentle care, and for always being there with open arms, listening ear, and a heart full of understanding. Your strength and warmth are a light that guides me every day. Daddy Carl, thank you for your wisdom, your quiet strength, and the way you've always believed in me, even when I didn't believe in myself. You've taught me what it means to work hard and to stay humble. You both have given me more than I could ever put into words. You've made sacrifices I may never fully understand, just to make sure I had a better life. And for that, I am endlessly grateful. Today, as I celebrate another year of life, I want you to know that I carry your love, your lessons, and your example with me every single day. Everything I am is because of you, Mom and Dad. Thank you for loving me the way you do. I'm so proud to be your child, and I love you more than words can ever express. To my grandparents, as I stand here celebrating another year of life, there are two very special people who may not be in the room with me, but are absolutely in my heart, my dear grandparents. Partner Mom Woods, Daddy Chito, even though you're far away today, I feel your love with me more than ever. Partner Mom Woods, you are truly the pillar of our home. Through every joy, every trial, and every change, you have remained steady, strong, and full of love. You've held us together with your wisdom, patience, and quiet strength. Your love has built a home that feels safe, your words have guided us, and your values have shaped who we are. You may not always ask for recognition, but we see everything you do. From your tireless care to your unwavering support, you have been the one we lean on. In you, we've learned the meaning of resilience, grace, and unconditional love. Thank you, Mami Boods, for being more than just a grandmother. Your love, wisdom, and strength have been our guiding light through every season of life. You've been there with warm hugs in our happy times and comforting words in our hardest days. You always know the right thing to say, even when we don't know what we need to hear. Your presence in my life has always been a quiet but powerful gift. Through your calls, your prayers, your kind words, and all the little things you've done for me over the years. The distance may keep us apart physically, but your love has never felt far. Some of my favorite memories growing up include the moments we've shared together, your stories, your laughter, your gentle advice, and just the simple comfort of being near you. Those memories are treasures I carry with me every single day. Partner, you may not always say much, but your actions have spoken louder than words ever could. From small acts of kindness to big sacrifices, you've always put family first. And for that, we are endlessly grateful. Today, I just want to say thank you. Thank you for loving me across the miles, for your constant support, and for always being a part of my life, no matter the distance. I miss you, I love you deeply, and I'm so thankful to call you my partner, Mom Boots. I hope you can feel my love reaching back to you, across cities, across borders, across whatever stands between us, because it's always there. I love you, Mommy Boots. To the likod, cool Chico Ilonggo. Dad, you have always been the pillar of strength in our lives. With your quiet determination, your endless wisdom, and your big heart, you've held our family together through the years. You've been our protector, our provider, and our guide. You taught us what it means to work hard, to stand tall with integrity, and to never give up, no matter what life brings. Whether it was your stories, your jokes, or your advice, you've given us more than just memories. You've given us values to live by. You may not always say much, but your actions have always spoken volumes. You showed us how to live with strength and love. You showed us what it truly means to be dependable, loving, and humble. Thank you, Daddy Chito, for being the foundation we all stand on. Thank you for every sacrifice, every lesson, and every moment of love. We are who we are because of you, and we're proud to call you ours. As you are always saying, Hakuna Matata, you always make sure that in our family, no one is left behind. We love you deeply, and we are forever grateful, Dad. Thank you, Mami Boots and Daddy Chito, for everything. Literally, as in everything. I love you both so much. To Tito Ivan and Tita Brie, I just want to take a moment to sincerely thank both of you from the bottom of my heart, especially for all the effort you put into creating my birthday and graduation vlog. It really means so much to me, and I deeply appreciate it. Tito Ivan, thank you so much for always watching and complimenting my vlogs. Your kind word and support mean more to me than you know. Even though I'm still learning and not yet an expert when it comes to editing or content creation, you never fail to encourage me. Your genuine appreciation for my efforts gives me more confidence to keep going and improving. It truly means a lot to know that someone believes in what I'm doing. Tita Brie, thank you for always being supportive and thoughtful. I may not have met you in person yet, but I already feel the warmth of your love and care. I'm really looking forward to the day we finally meet. I know it will be special. Also, I want to wish you the best of luck on your nursing journey. I know it's not an easy path, but I truly admire your dedication and strength. You've got this, Tita Brie. I love you both so much. Thank you for being part of my life, even from afar. Your presence, support, and love inspire me every day. To Mama Abs, Ma, you are the heart of our family, and I honestly don't know where I'd be without your strength, your wisdom, and your endless love. You've been there for me since day one, holding me, guiding me, praying for me, and reminding me of the values that matter most: kindness, patience, and faith. There are many things I admire about you, Mama. Your ability to forgive, the way you carry so much history, so many memories, and yet you still greet each day with grace and humility. Your laughter brings life to any room, and your prayers bring peace to our hearts. On my birthday, I realized more than ever how blessed I am, not just for the gifts or the celebration, but because I have you, Ma. Thank you, Mama, for loving me, for believing in me, and for being the anchor of our family. You are one of the greatest blessings in my life. One of the things I've always loved about Mama is that every time I do pisa, she gives me money right away. It's like magic, instant blessing and instant cash. I love you with all my heart, Ma, and I dedicate this special day to you as well. Because without you, wala ka tani ko ako sa tuhod. And certainly not the version of me I'm proud to be today. Thank you, Mama. Padayon, nangyay mo gapon hatag sa akon. Bisa nag-duty na ako rin kasi tala. To Tito Dutsi, thank you so much, Tito, for everything you've done for me. Ever since the beginning, you've been cheering for me in all my goals and successes. And even now, you're still here, supporting me. I have nothing but gratitude and love for you. Thank you for being our family's constant support and go-to person whenever we face challenges. Your presence means so much to all of us. I love you to touch. To Tito Ray, Tito, this is for you. You may be far from home most of the time, out at sea, working hard and sacrificing so much, but your presence is always felt. Even when you're miles away, your love, your support, and your guidance reach us. I know that life as a seaman isn't easy. Long months away from family, missing birthdays, holidays, and milestones. But you do it all for us, and for that, I will always be thankful. Tito Ray, thank you for all your sacrifices, for choosing a path that requires courage, patience, and strength. You are one of the most hardworking and selfless people I know. I admire you not just for what you do, but for the heart and reason behind why you do it, for the people you love. I will never forget the times you would come home with pasalubong, stories from around the world, and that proud smile when you saw how much we've grown. But more than the gifts, it's the sacrifices that mean the most. You've taught me that true love isn't always shown through words. Sometimes it's shown in distance, in late night calls, in quiet support, and in years of hard work away from home. You inspire me, Tito Ray. You've shown me that even if you're not always physically here, you're always present in the most important ways. So today, I want to say thank you, Tito Ray, for everything. For helping build a better future, not just for me, but for all of us. For the laughter when you're home, and the love that never leaves, even when you're far away. Also, thank you for the lechon and pancake, Tito. I hope one day I can be as strong, as generous, and as devoted as you are. We're all proud of you, and on my birthday, I want you to know that having a grandpa like you is one of the best gifts I could ever have. We love you, stay safe always out there, and may God continue to bless you and guide you on every journey you take. Thank you, Tito Ray, and we miss you na. And to Tito Ray's family, Tita Jo, Tito Julie, Kas Gino, Rhea, Tita Rilen, and Tito Victor. Thank you for everything. I really appreciate you all so much. And thank you for your love and support for me, guys. To Tita Bre, thank you for your support and for everything you've done for us out of love and kindness. Thank you for your pamahaw whenever we see each other. Even if it seems like a small gesture, it means a lot to me and brings me so much joy. Especially kung ice coffee mo pamahaw sa amon perme, ang muga pinakalamig sa tanan niya kayo mo pamahaw perme ice coffee. And I truly appreciate everything more than words can express. Thank you also for always cheering me on and motivating me, especially in my nursing journey through nursing school. In the times when things felt hard, you made me feel that I could keep going. I love you, Tita Vic. I really treasure you. To Tita Vic's family, Tito Kating, Andrea, and Via. To Kating, take care always on your travels. Nini Andrea, thank you because even though you're technically my aunt, you and Via treat me more like a brother. And I truly appreciate that. Dai Via, my TikTok buddy, thank you for everything as well. Just like with Andrea, you treat me more like a brother than anything else. And that means a lot to me. I really miss you already. You've missed so many events lately. Please come home soon so we can make more TikToks again, Dai. I love you all. To Tito Edwin's family, Tapaneng, Nonoy, A, Sena, and Wendy. Tita Paneng, I always enjoy being around you because you never run out of stories to tell. You really make every family gatherings and occasion more fun and lively. We're all entertained whenever you're around. Noy, you're truly one of the people who bring joy to every party. You never run out of jokes and you always make us laugh. Thank you for always being there for us, Noy. We appreciate you so much. Ace, you're one of the people I know who cooks really well. Your food is always delicious. You're also one of the uncles who truly supports me in my studies and I'm really thankful for that. Sana and Wendy, thank you all so much for helping me since day one of my nursing journey. You were truly part of the reason I made it this far. You were the ones who supported me, not just emotionally, but also by providing the things I needed like my books, my blue bag, and my Sage Ed bag. I'm so grateful for all of that. Thank you as well for the knowledge and lessons you shared with me about nursing. Your support and motivation have made such a big difference in my journey. From the bottom of my heart, thank you and I love you all. To Tito Nestor, Tones, stay strong with lung games. Technically, you're my grandpa, but you don't even look like one. You look too young to be called Lolo. Thank you, Tones, because you're also one of the jokers in our family. You always bring laughter wherever you go. Take care always, especially at work. To Tito Roy.
Tito Roy.
Thank you, Tito Roy, for taking care of me when I was still a child. Nasugat tulong ko ako sa muna, pero sa pungga ko naman nasugat siya. One of my favorite memories is when we both pretended to be going to SM, but when Tita Vic asked me where you came from, I answered MOA, which is Zamora, because I was still a kid and couldn't pronounce things properly yet. I also remember that after my classes, you would always give me ice pops, my favorite. I really appreciate everything you've done for me since day one long. Thank you also for taking care of Mama X. We really appreciate that. I love you all. To Tita Eva, Tito Nilo, Jimeno, and Fa. Thank you so much, Tita Eva, for always supporting me and for the compliments you give me, like saying, "Kagwapo-gwapo, kanya kay Martin." I really appreciate your kind words. I also love how you and Tito Nilo always call me Artistahon. It makes me feel special and adds so much joy to our family moments. To Papi Nilo, I know that you are a wonderful husband to our Tita Eva and a great father to Bim Bim and Tito Lyle. Thank you for being such a solid presence in their lives and in ours too. Take care always, Papi. Bim, another TikTok buddy. You're not just family, Bim. You're my partner in crime when it comes to fun, laughter, and all things trending online. From the silly dance challenges to those late night scroll sessions, you've made everything feel lighter and more exciting. You're always game, always smiling, and always hyped to make the next viral TikTok, even if you sometimes need 100 takes. Beyond the loves, I just want to say thank you. Thank you for being the one person who supports me, makes me feel understood, and reminds me not to take life too seriously. Whether we're filming or just talking, your presence is a true blessing in my life. You showed me that family isn't just about blood, it's about connection, friendship, and shared memories. And honestly, TikTok wouldn't be the same without you. I love you, babe. Let's never stop dancing smiling, laughing, and being our silly selves. More TikToks to come. Karon, TikTok na karon. To Tito Lan, Ta Candy, and Toto. Din sila. Sige. I know that you are not only a great father to baby Toto, but also a loving and supportive husband to your wife, Tita Candy. I really admire the way you take care of your family. It shows your kindness, strength, and dedication. I also want to say thank you for being one of the people who truly supports me, whether it's through your encouraging words or your compliments in my TikTok feeds. I always feel seen and appreciated by you. Your support motivates me to keep doing what I love. Thank you for always cheering me on. It means more to me than you know. I love you, Jimeno family. To Tita Jocelyn Capulot and family, Tajo, I still remember how we used to always be partners during our Christmas parties. That's one of my favorite memories with you. I especially loved when we played Pinoy Henyo because I could really see how much fun you and our whole family were having. Thank you so much, Tito Efren, Ta Josel, Ta Ellen, Tumakmak, Ta Kankan, and Kid. I truly appreciate all your support. It means so much to me. I love you all. To Tita Kaning, to Michael, and kids. I know that ever since the beginning, you've always been there for us with your support, care, and love, especially for Mommy and Daddy. That kind of constant presence and high strength means more to us than words can ever fully express. I still clearly remember when I was a kid and you looked after me in Harrow. I was such a handful, I would mess around and play with the TV remote until the volume went way down just to see your reaction, Tita. I used to trip on you for fun, and yet, you never ran out of patience. Those memories are some of the funniest and most special ones I carry with me. Even now, I still tease you sometimes, but that's only because you've never just been a tita to me, you've also been one of my second mother. Thank you for always being there, for listening, for understanding, and for loving me in your own gentle and steady way. To Tito Michael, thank you so much for your support too, especially during my nursing journey. I know how much it means to have people cheering me on, and you've been one of those people. I'm truly grateful for that. And to Andre, Andrew, and Aya, I just want to say how proud I am to be your kuya. You're not just cousins to me. I see you as my younger siblings. Watching you grow up has been such a joy. You're getting older and soon, I know, you'll be all taller than me too. But joke aside, I really appreciate all of you. I'm lucky to be part of this family, to be surrounded by people who love and support each other in both loud and quiet ways. I love you all so much. Thank you for being part of my life. To Tita Sexy Babes, and Tita Largo, thank you so much for everything you've done, not just for me, but for our whole family. You've always been the ones taking the lead, especially during our family occasions. And we're so grateful for all the time, effort, and love you put into making each gathering special. You've become the heart of many of our family celebrations, whether it's simple dinner, a big event, or just a random get-together. You both always bring life, energy, and laughter into the room. You make everyone feel welcome, loved, and at home, and that's something truly rare and special. More than that, you've always been there through our ups and downs, in both joyful and difficult moments. Your support never fades, and that kind of presence, reliable, consistent, full of love, means so much. I love you both. To Tita Lisa, Tita Mai, and Anya, thank you so much because back then, you were the bridge between my parents. Every time they had arguments, you were the ones who helped fix things. They couldn't handle it well on their own at that time because they were still so young, just teenagers. I really appreciate what you did for them and for us as a family. I love you. To Ninong Islo and Tita Maxine. Ninong, thank you so much for being part of my life. Not just today on my birthday, but through all the moments, big and small. Your presence, guidance, and support have always meant so much to me. You're not just a Ninong by name, you're truly a second father and a constant source of encouragement. Thank you for the love, for the advice, for the jokes, for the thoughtful gifts, and most of all, for always showing up. Whether it's through your words or actions, you've made a difference in my life, and I will always be grateful. I feel blessed to have you as my ninong. Tita Max, thank you so much for always being the one behind the camera, capturing moments that mean so much to me. You're honestly one of the best people I know when it comes to taking a great photos. You don't just take pictures or videos, you capture memories, emotions, and moments I'll always look back on with a smile. I truly appreciate the time, effort, and love you put into every shot. Thank you again, Tita. I'm really grateful for you, not just for your talent, but for your kindness and support too. I love you both. To Subeldia and Hiponina family, thank you all so much for celebrating my birthday with me. I know everyone has busy lives and many things going on, so it really means a lot that you took the time and effort to be here today. Your presence made this day even more special and memorable. Having all of you here reminds me how lucky I am to be surrounded by such loving and supportive family. I cherish every moment we share together. From the bottom of my heart, thank you for your kindness, your smiles, and your love. I love you all. To Papa Toring, I remember when I was a baby, Mom and Dad told me that I was the only baby he ever carried in his arms. That may seem small to others, but for me, it means everything. It shows how special our bond was, even from the very beginning. Papa was also an amazing cook. His dishes were simple, but they always had that comforting, homemade taste that only he could make. Every meal felt like a warm hug, something you didn't just eat, but felt. And I'll never forget how he spoke. Papa had the kindest and gentlest tone in his voice. He didn't need to raise it to be heard. His presence was quiet but strong. Someone who you respected because of his calm, wisdom, and kind heart. I know that you're proud of me, Papa, because I finally graduated from nursing. And I also know how much you supported us, especially during the time Mommy was reviewing at RGO. Your quiet presence, your encouragement, and your love, those things carried us through. Even though you're no longer here with us physically, I feel your pride and support. I hope I'm making you proud. I love you, Papa. To Lolo Butoy, hi Pa. I just want to say how much I miss you. Life hasn't been the same without you around. I know deep in my heart that you were a good father. You may not have always said it in words, but we felt your love in the way you provided for us, protected us, and stayed strong even when life got tough. One thing I always remember and miss is so much is your korisong kilay. That funny expression you always made, whether you were teasing us, joking around, or even pretending to be mad. It always made us laugh. It was one of your ways of showing love, even when you weren't saying much. Now that you're gone, I hold on to those memories. They give me comfort, even on the hardest days. I hope you're watching over us, and I hope I'm making you proud. I miss you every day, Pa, and I love you always and forever. To Mama Ems, you've always been one of the people who loved me deeply, even from the time I was just a child. I still remember how you used to carry me all the time and shower me with kisses. I felt your love in the smallest moments, and it's something I've never forgotten. There's one memory I will never forget. It happened on November 1st during the Fiesta Minatay, just shortly after you passed away. We had just arrived home after visiting the cemetery. I was feeling dizzy from the travel, and when Daddy laid me down on the sofa, I closed my eyes to rest. But then, I saw something, a shadow, and then your face, so familiar, so loving, appeared for a moment, smiling at me. You didn't say anything, but I felt your presence so clearly. You were looking at me as if checking to see if I was okay. I wanted to open my eyes wider, but I couldn't. I was still dizzy, half awake. After that, I remember getting a fever, but that moment stayed with me. I believe with all my heart that you were really there just for a second to let me know that your love didn't end with your passing. That even from beyond, you are still protecting me, still watching over me, still loving me like you always did. Now that I've grown, I carry you with me every step of the way. I know you're proud of me, of how far I've come, of who I'm becoming. And I wish you were still here so I could show you in person how much your love shaped me. But even if you're not physically beside me, your memory lives on. Your love, your warmth, your care is still in my heart, and it always will be. I love you so much, Mama Ems. I miss you more than words can say. Thank you for loving me the way you did. I will carry that love with me forever. To Tito Edwin, today, as we remember Tito Ed, I want to take a moment to express how much he meant to all of us. His love and generosity touched everyone around him, and his laughter and stories will forever echo in our hearts. He's always ready to lend a helping hand or offer words to comfort. Tito's wisdom and warmth shape who we are, and his memory continues to inspire us to be better, kinder, and more loving. I remember something very special on June 8, 2023, my 20th birthday. It was a moment that really touched my heart and showed me just how thoughtful and loving he truly was. They had already arrived at our house to celebrate, and everything seemed complete. But then he suddenly remembered that he forgot to bring my gift. Instead of just brushing it off or saying, "Hapitan niyo na lang to sunod, Marta," he actually went back for it. He made the effort to return and bring me that gift, even though he was already here. That moment meant more than just receiving something. It showed his heart. It was never about the material gift. It was about the love, the intention, and the way he made me feel remembered and valued. That kind of thoughtfulness is rare, and I'll never forget it. It might seem like a small thing to others, but for me, it's one of those quiet, powerful memories that stay with you forever. I carry it with me as a reminder that love is shown most in the little things, in the effort people make when they don't have to, but choose to anyway. Though he is no longer with us in person, his spirit lives on in the stories we share, the lessons he taught us, and the love he gave so freely. We are grateful for every moment we had with him, and we carry him in our hearts every day. Thank you, Tito Edwin, for everything. We love you and we miss you all deeply. To my grandparents, Daddy Al and Mami Beth, and to my Tita Zaza and Angie, I miss you all so much. If you were still here, I know for sure you'll be the ones taking care of us right now, preparing everything, making us feel so loved and special. I'm truly proud to be your grandchild and nephew. I carry your love and memories with me always. I really wish we could go back to those days, the fun times we shared, especially during our family outings to places like Bacolod and Boracay. Those were some of the best memories of my life. The laughter, the bonding, the feeling of being complete as a family, those moments will stay in my heart forever. I know you're all watching over me, and I believe you're proud of me, just as I've always been proud to be part of you. I love you all so much until we meet again. To everyone, I just want to take a moment to say a heartfelt thank you to all of you, my amazing family and wonderful friends, for making this birthday so special. This birthday has been so much more than just a celebration of another year in my life. It's been a reminder of how blessed I am to have such an incredible circle of family and friends surrounding me. To my family, thank you for always being there, for your endless love, support, and for shaping me into who I am today. I'm so lucky to have a family like you. You've seen me at my best and at my worst, and through it all, you've loved me unconditionally. Thank you for your patience, your wisdom, and your warm hearts. I'm beyond lucky to call you mine, guys. To my friends, you have brought so much joy, laughter, and meaning into my life. You've been there through the fun times and the tough ones. You've celebrated my highs and helped me through my lows. I don't take that for granted. Whether we've known each other forever or just recently connected, your presence in my life is truly special. Thank you for the jokes, the late night talks, the adventures, and for simply being you. Thank you all for the thoughtful wishes, the messages, the calls, and the beautiful gifts. But more than anything, thank you for your time, the most valuable things any of us can give. Thank you for taking the time to be here with me today, to celebrate, to love, and to create another memory I'll never forget. Life moves fast, and moments like this, where we get to pause, gather, and simply enjoy each other's company are rare and priceless. I'll carry this day with me for a long time. Most importantly, I want to thank God for the gift of another year of life. Each day I wake up is a blessing, and reaching another year is something I will never take for granted. Lord, thank you for giving me the strength to keep going, even during the times when things felt heavy. Thank you for the people you placed in my life, the ones who support me, love me, and help me grow. Thank you for the lessons, even the difficult ones, because they've shaped me into who I am today. This new year of life is a chance to start fresh, to grow deeper in faith, to love harder, to forgive more freely, and to continue walking in the purpose you've set for me. I pray for wisdom, for strength, and for a heart that always seeks you in everything I do. To everyone celebrating with me, thank you for being part of my journey, and to God, thank you for being the reason I made it this far. Here's to another year of grace, growth, and gratitude. I love you all more than words can say. Thank you.
Love you. God bless. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Ay, hello.
Happy birthday and congratulations.
Thank you.
Wala pa dito yung matapos mga